What is this guy?
Well, it's just a finisher.
What's that mean?
It's a buffing wheels to polish stuff. And this is the sand stuff. Like when I finish this, you know, you can't leave that like that.
Oh, so this will shave that down to that?
Yeah, I'll cut all that down so it blends in real nice.
Yeah.
It's not bad right where it's at, but
Right.
it'll look really nice. That's all this is, basically.
Is this sandpaper?
Yep, sandpaper, sandpaper, sandpaper. That buildup right there,
Yeah.
I'll just give you a price range.
Please.
It could be, I don't know what shoe repair, but I get $65 to build that up, which is actually really cheap. I called the shop in Milwaukee, I ain't gonna say which one, $120 for the same job. So I cut the sole off with a knife. I used to use a bandsaw way back in the day. And then this stuff here, it's called crepe. You know, it's same as that.
Yeah.
That comes in all different thicknesses. So you just build it up, whatever their hip discrepancy is. Then I put the sole back on and I finish it.
And this
so you can't really tell.
No.
So it's the original sole on the bottom, not something glued on the bottom. And when you're done, it looks like original.
You know people are going to be traveling out here now. You're going to be like, why did I do that thing with McGivern's? What's this for?
It's called a 5-in-1, does 5 operations.
And what 5 jobs does it do?
Well, it cuts here, it skives here, it presses the welt on here. You can actually cut leather certain length here. And I think I forgot the other operation.
What's
called a 5-in-1.
What's skive mean?
Well, take a piece of leather like that. So like when you blend this, here, let's take this guy.
Do you want my shoe?
Well, I could. So where you blend this in,
Oh, okay.
it's not this thick, it's cut. So if you stick it in here, like so, it just takes off and feathers it a bit.
Oh,
so it's not
nice.
as thick when you blend it in.
Right.
Then if you want to cut stuff, well, that'll cut right off.
Right there.
To trim
Boom.
everything, yeah.
Yeah. You have to be careful, don't you?
That'll take your finger off. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You'll be bleeding profusely.
What is this called? A curved?
It's a curved needle stitcher. It's got a curved awl and a curved needle. So that's the needle.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like that.
Mm-hmm.
So awl punches the hole, needle comes around, picks up the thread and pulls it through and makes the knot. So yeah, if you don't know how to fix it, you're in trouble.
And how'd you learn how to fix it?
I don't know, I work on a lot of stuff.
You do?
Just,
Handy.
yeah, as far as, when you were a kid, you worked on your cars and all that stuff, and you didn't do that?
Never.
Oh, well, I could fix your car.
Okay.
Well, anyways.
I should have brought my car in.
You could have. I do a lot of car stuff,
Do
too.
you?
Yes. Lots. So that seems to be working okay. So I like to wet the sole, too.
Why?
Because this is real hard right now. So if you just squirt it with a little water, it kind of softens that leather up. So just get a little wet. Not going to hurt the shoe. Especially if it's black, you're never going to see anything anyway, so. Now we got to make sure we stitch this good for you. So we go like that. Feed it in like that. See what happens here. There. That looks pretty good.
That's really impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stitch on top, perfect.
Yep.
There. So it blends in with his old stitches.
And that didn't take you long.
No. No.
That's because of your years of experience.
Yes, all those years of experience, yes.